Hello everyone. Today we will explore three simple methods to access the BIOS on your Windows 10 or 11, PC or laptop. Let's dive in. So, method 1 is about CMD command prompt. Go to search and type CMD and open command prompt. You can use without administration. Let's zoom in. Type shutdown space slash R space slash O space slash F space slash T and space 00 and then enter. Your computer will restart into the advanced startup menu. Laptop restarted. Make it less brighter. From there, navigate to troubleshoot, then advanced options and UEFI firmware settings and click restart to access the BIOS. So now your BIOS is visible to you like this. BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. BIOS is a software built into a computer. As we switch on the computer, the program is operated. Typically, this program is housed in read-only memory, it means ROM, and is placed on the motherboard. We can exit using escape. So, second method is about advanced startup. Go to Windows search and type settings. Follow the path. Navigate to update and security, then choose recovery. Or you can go to system and then choose recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. Your PC will reboot into a blue screen with several options. It will take more time. Select Troubleshoot, then again Advanced Options, and finally UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart and you will enter the BIOS setup again. We use F10 to save changes and exit. Lastly, you can enter the BIOS by pressing a specific key during startup. So, restart or shut down your computer. As soon as it begins to boot, repeatedly press the BIOS key designated by your PC or I can say laptop's manufacturer. Press the appropriate key until the BIOS setup screen appears to you. Common key include F2, delete, escape or F10. For example, Dell typically uses F2 while HP uses escape or F10. Here are some information about shortcut keys. BIOS key for laptops, Lenovo, Dell, Acer, MSI, HP, etc. And then BIOS key for motherboards like Asus motherboard, Gigabyte, Zebronics, etc. You can take screenshot of this to use. Have a question or suggestions? Drop them into the comments below. Tech beyond expectations. Thanks for watching.